I've known Kevin for the past 5 years. I met him through a business networking group, BNI International. When I first approached the group, he came up to me and mentioned that, hey, he was an insurance broker. And I was having some difficulties with my current insurance broker myself. And since then, he's been kind of dealing with my disability insurance, life insurance, and critical illness insurance. Well, some of the problems I had with my initial insurance broker was, just being on top of all the paperwork, even basic things like meeting on time and being punctual, which obviously we kind of lost our confidence there because, he mentions a time to meet at, and it could be 2 hours later, and he's not there. With Kevin, I've never had any problems with that at all. Whatever he says, that's exactly it. This is the time. That's when it's done. He has the staff that can manage all the extra work that he can't manage himself, and so I feel confident that all my needs are met. Kevin has been managing my disability insurance, my critical illness insurance, my life insurance, and a portion of my RSPs as well. So pretty much any of the insurance questions or concerns I ever have, he's been kind of dealing with that for me. Well, I find Kevin to be very, very approachable, very easy to contact. Again, as I mentioned with my previous broker, it was it would take days or weeks on end before I could get a response. Usually, it's a quick email or a quick phone call, and I usually get a response within a couple hours. And so, hence, that's one of the reasons why I've chosen Kevin Cahill to be my insurance broker. Well, I would find Kevin to be, again, very, very approachable. He's very knowledgeable in terms of investments and all the insurance aspects. Again, myself, I have no hesitation in trusting my own family to Kevin. So I have no hesitations in recommending UTC Kevin. As mentioned, very, very approachable, very easy to talk to. His staff are great, and there's never any judgment, and everything just seems to go very, very smoothly. Well, I find Kevin to be very approachable. Everything that he suggested to me, I never feel pressured. Everything that we do is very easy. All the paperwork is done very smooth and quickly. I think it also helps when his staff are very excellent and knowledgeable about the services available too. Well, working with Kevin, I find that my life is a lot easier. Myself, being a dentist, I manage 2 dental offices, and so it is very, very hectic. So with all the financial planning and the insurance aspects of my personal life and my business, I don't have to worry about it because I pretty much give everything to Kevin, and he just takes care of everything. And I know that if anything were to happen in the future, there's always somebody there to manage things for me. Myself, being a dentist, I manage 2 dental offices, and so it is very, very hectic. So with all the financial planning and the insurance aspects of my personal life and my business, I don't have to worry about it because I pretty much give everything to Kevin, and he just takes care of everything. And I know that if anything were to happen in the future, there's always somebody there to manage things for me. Well, in the past, I've referred a few patients to Kevin for his investment and insurance services, and the response from my patients have been quite good. They were quite happy with dealing with Kevin himself and his office staff. They felt that all their needs and concerns were met, and it actually makes me feel good that I was able to help out my patients, not just from working in their mouth, but also other aspects of their life. Well, in general, I just find Kevin to be somebody I can trust, and I just feel that I'm assured that, hey, everything is going to be taken care of if there's any problems.